everyone. So today I have my kids in the kitchen with me. We'll be making a couple of super easy after-school snack recipes. So easy, your kids can do them on their own. Let's get started. All right, Cree, so we are making 3 dishes today, right? And all of these dishes are perfect for when mommy is not home, right? So these dishes are easy for both of you to make, okay?
Yeah.
So do you know, did you really hear what I just said? What did I say?
You kind of went here and then it went
Exactly, because I said these are dishes that you would make by yourselves.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So do you know what that means?
Yes, I know what that means.
What does that mean?
That I can make this by myself.
That you can, but guess who's gonna make it by themselves? Both of y'all.
Oh. Okay.
Mama's not helping. Cairo, are you ready to do this by yourself?
Yeah.
Listen, you're gonna be cutting and doing all of that by yourself. And we have kid-friendly tools, okay?
I like it.
You guys.
You could do all of that. You can do any of that.
I'm
Mama's
doing
not
this.
doing nada.
I can do.
Nada.
I can help.
Nothing.
Yeah, you're
Finally, mommy needs some rest. I'll be over here meditating.
You
The
can
only
go.
thing that's missing is a glass of wine.
You can go,
Wine, please. So, Cairo, Cree, are you ready? Looks like it. So, you guys, the first dish that you're gonna be making is a veggie platter with dip. I've only pulled out veggies that you absolutely love, right?
I love veggies.
Of course, and Cairo does too.
I don't know.
That's why we have a sauce with it, you know? So should we eat it? Now listen, we have some kiddie tools for you. We have some kid-friendly knives, right? Kid-friendly cutting boards. We have this kid-friendly snail peeler. And we have Cairo's knife-proof glove, right? Do you like it? It's very fashionable, right? Yeah. Why are you so adorable? No, why are you so cute? Why are you so cute?
Cairo, we have to
Why are you
focus.
so cute?
Focus.
Why are you so cute?
Focus on the milk.
Why are you so cute?
Focus on the milk.
Why are you so
Say stop
cute?
it.
But stop.
Good girl. Okay, let's get to the
Okay,
cooking.
all right. So, you guys, are you ready?
Yes.
Do
Yes,
can I,
I'm ready.
Can I believe in you?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna be Gordon
Yeah.
Ramsay, you know.
Okay, I know. And I know you love to cook, Cree.
I'm not gonna be an idiot sandwich. All right, let's go. Let's cook. All right.
Okay, ready. Go. Mommy's gonna watch you.
What I'm doing right now is I'm making a dill. I'm making a sauce. You know, because Miss Cairo, she cannot eat vegetables without sauce. Just right.
What was that you just put in there?
Mayonnaise.
Oh, you're putting mayonnaise in there now, but what did you just put in there?
I do not know. I just put it in there. Sour cream. Cut that out, please. Sour cream.
Sour cream. Got it.
Uh-huh.
Okay. What was that?
Don't know.
Onion, onion powder, garlic powder. Smell it and see if you can figure it out.
Dill.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can I put some in
Oh,
No.
she can. Oh, salt. Okay.
this?
Yeah, you can.
I
You
already
can go
got
ahead. Yep. Good job. There you go.
What is this part?
That part is the end. Good job, Cairo. Keep on going. Mommy's gonna move over this, okay? Wait, let me see.
What?
You have the sauce in your hair. Hold on. Hold.
It's not that bad, right?
Okay, Cairo, you're cutting up the cucumbers now. Wow, look at that. Be careful, be careful. Oh. Okay, be careful. Okay, there you go. Oh, good job. Oh, look at her. She's going smaller. Okay, good job. Okay. Do you want to get, all right. There you go. Good job. Look at you. Who taught her how to do that? Cairo, this is fantastic. Can you make, wait. Can you make this one look like that? So these are perfect, right? So can you make this one look like these? There you go. There you go. Wow!
Yeah.
Good job, baby. Okay, you want to do some more?
Nah, this is scaring me.
Go ahead. Good job, Cree. All right, Cairo, get it, girl. Get all of your anger out. There you go. Oh.
Oopsie.
Are we making a smiley face?
No.
Okay, however you want to do the celery, go. Go for it. There you go. Good job. She getting this. Y'all, we got some chefs in the house.
You know who I got it from?
Who?
Chef Grandpa. Boom, boom,
You got your
boom,
celery,
boom, boom.
you got your cucumbers, you got your carrots.
It
So, I
doesn't-
mean, we have all of the veggies that we need on the plate.
Yeah.
We just need to figure out what we're gonna do with our dip. So I guess that's your carrot now.
You want it?
So we're not gonna cut up the carrots anymore? Are we gonna cut up the carrots?
I'm gonna cut it.
You wanna cut it? Okay.
Mm. Oh my God.
Okay, come on, let's eat it.
I just want to eat the
Sure. Okay, you eat it. Mmm.
Mm.
That thing on fire.
Okay, so that's what you say?
Yum, yum.
Yummy, yummy.
We made a good meal.
All right, so kiddos, son and daughter. The next dish.
You can just call us Cree and Cairo.
All right, Cree and Cairo. So the next dish that you guys are gonna make is taquitos. Taquitos. That's-
Taquitos.
I'm only gonna tell you this once, and then you guys have to do it by yourself, okay?
See.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take one of these tortillas, okay? You're gonna put some cream cheese on there. You're gonna spread it all over the tortilla.
I'm gonna use this one.
You can use this one, you can use that one, whichever one you want. Then you're gonna place some cheese on top of the cream cheese. Then you're just gonna add whatever you want inside, right? And then you're gonna roll it up like a little burrito, like a taquito. And then we're gonna put it on here. And I want you to put them face down so that they don't all spill out. And then after that, we're gonna put them in the oven at 350 degrees until the cheese gets all ooey and gooey. You got it?
Ooey.
Oh, you know what? Guys, my phone is ringing. I have a call. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that call, and you guys make the taquitos. I love you. I love you.
It's pronounced taquitos.
Taquitos, I love you.
Taquitos.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready to cook?
Yes, Dusty.
Grab your tortilla. Place it, right?
And once we do this,
Yes. Yes. Hey, I hear somebody laughing. Who is that? We're not eating now, we're cooking. But that cheese.
I'm gonna make this for Mom.
Well, she's gonna want some chicken and beans.
Yeah, I got Tito.
I got it. Carol, you're doing a little bit more eating than cooking.
No.
Cree, don't be shy with the chicken. We love that chicken. This is my side and this is your side, okay? Okay? Okay?
Hey! Oh my gosh, Cairo, these
I
look
make this one is for you.
This one's for me. Thank you, my love. Wow. You guys, these look so good.
I want to put this one in the
Oh, we're going to put this whole thing in the oven.
the whole
Yes, the whole thing. These look
Where is
great.
the oven?
The oven is right here.
Oh.
So you have chicken. Good job. Cree, these look amazing.
And mine?
Yours look amazing too. Did you want to do one more so we have a total of 6? Looks like there's a lot of veggies left. I
mean,
see.
this is a veggie, and I love corn.
Okay, but nobody wanted to
I
do
gotta
that.
make another one.
Go ahead,
for
Boo Boo, do you? What happened to the carrots and the peas?
I don't like frozen stuff.
What did you put in there? Tell me.
Beans
Okay.
Well, finally.
and chicken.
Beans and chicken? Awesome. So you didn't want to
For
put in...
you, that's still for you.
That's for me? Well, you know what? I want some carrots and peas on mine, please.
Here's some beans.
Oh, that's not a pea. What is that?
Here's some corn.
Yes.
You can eat it.
That corn is the bomb.
I told you. I may take it back tomorrow.
Now, remember, we have to be very careful when we put this into the oven, okay?
Okay.
So, Mommy's gonna put this into the oven, and then we're gonna move on to our next dish. And you know what that is? Blueberry muffins! Are you excited to make dessert?
Where's my spatula?
Where's your spatula? I think that's yours, right?
No.
No? Hey, what are we making?
I don't see my spatula.
You don't? Here,
Wait,
Cree, why
oh,
don't you
it's
give
right
her?
here.
There it is. Say thank you, Cree. All right, Cairo, what recipe are we making today?
You forgot, didn't you?
What is it?
Blueberry muffins.
Yay! Blueberry muffins! And guess what? You're gonna start with the first step, right?
With oats.
And what else?
Banana.
And what else?
Blueberry.
Yeah! All right, Cairo, you're gonna do the first step.
Egg.
What are we gonna do with the egg?
Crack.
Okay, crack
No,
it.
but-
Let's crack it here first. There
I
you go.
need help to get it out.
Yes, okay, but you're
I
gonna...
don't want to do this.
Oh, you don't want to do that?
Can I show my
I
pro?
just want to crack.
Can I show
Wait,
my...
okay, how about we do this? She just wants to crack it, and then you could go ahead and put it in there.
Oh,
Good job! Okay, Cree?
Let me do it.
Ready? Okay. Bravo! Okay, go
Can
ahead.
I mix it?
Yes, you can. Go ahead and take that to the trash can and wash your hands, okay? With soap, Cree. Y'all, this one right here, washing his hands, getting in the shower, for some reason, the soap is invisible. Okay, so we have an egg in here, and guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna put all of this, Kai, in here. But you know what though? We have to put the butter in here first.
How are we gonna do that?
Just put it in there.
I got you.
Okay, Cree's gonna help, okay?
I'm
Go.
gonna mix it.
Yes. There you go. I love your patience. Yes, we hold the bowl while we stir. Good job, my love. So then what you're gonna do is we're just gonna start putting all of this into here. Do you wanna do it? Look at this. What is that?
A cat.
A cat? Good job. Okay.
A kitty.
A kitty, yes. You wanna try the milk? Yes. Good job, my love. Cairo, we're gonna put our brown sugar in there, okay?
Brown sugar.
Oh, there you go, you got it! Bravo, good job, my love. Okay, Mommy's gonna give it a nice little stir again, okay? And then you can pour it all in there. Do you want me to help you? You got it? Look at you. I love what you're doing. Yes. Good job, my love. Make sure you put your hand on the bowl. Bravo. And we're gonna get it.
And then we're gonna put it in the oven.
Yes, we're gonna put it in the oven, but before
I'm
we do
doing so good.
Yes, you are, my love. You are doing very well. What are you doing now, Cree?
Measuring the flour and putting the flour in the cup and measuring it.
Okay, and then what do you do next? Don't pat it down. Don't pat it down because it'll give you more flour than what you need. Okay, there you go. You're doing an excellent job.
All right,
Okay,
ready?
go ahead, Cree. Put it in there. Bravo. Okay,
But
now
I
that's
still-
no, no, wait, no, not yet, not yet. So, yep, there you go. Good job. Don't, Cree, if you sneeze, I'm not cleaning it up. Okay, so we just put some baking powder and salt in there, and now we're gonna mix away, okay? when you mix it, you're just gonna like fold. You see?
Yeah.
Like this. And you don't wanna overly do it, okay? Kai!
What are you doing?
Okay, Cree, so the next step, we're gonna add our blueberries, okay?
Yep.
I guess go this way.
Good job. Okay, remember, we're not gonna overmix, okay? And we
Yes.
wanna fold. Okay, Cairo, do you remember what the... Yummy, yummy, yummy. Get it, girl. We have to put the muffin covers into here, like this.
Can I do that?
Yeah,
Can I share with that?
I
Sure.
like that you use the word share. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna scoop our muffin mixture and put it into there.
Yes.
Okay, there you go.
Just put it to the. Okay.
Okay, there you go. Boom. Yes,
Yeah.
Cree, bravo. Okay,
Uh-huh.
Cairo, your turn.
Oh,
Ready?
shoot. Oh, shoot.
I'm gonna squeeze it. There you go. Bravo. You're gonna do one more. One more in there, okay? Wait, let's do a little more. There you go. Okay, then you're gonna put
I'm
it right,
gonna do.
you're gonna put it right here. There you go. Squeeze it. Bravo! Yay! Okay, there we go. Okay, let's do another one. We won't have any bananas left to put on top of our muffins. So we can't eat.
Sorry.
That's okay. We can't eat all of our bananas. You have to use the bathroom, Cree?
Me.
Yeah. You can go potty. You don't have to.
Potty.
I mean, you can
I
go
need to
use-
drink some water.
Yeah, me and Karen need to go use the restroom.
Okay, go ahead. While you guys go use the restroom, I will be here. The kids are not here. They just left me to finish this off. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, pop these in the oven, and then we're gonna take the taquitos out so the kids can enjoy them. As you can see, the kids are already wanting to dive in. Again, these are perfect snacks, right? That the kids can do all by themselves if mom is busy or, you know, just for an afternoon snack. What do you guys think, huh? Yeah! It's ooey. They're so moist. Yummy, they're so good, huh, Cairo? All right, Cree, do you want to try the taquitos? You want to try the taquitos, Kai? Let's just
This
try.
one is mine.
Okay, let's try it. Oh my God! It's good, huh? Yummy, yummy, yummy! The kids are enjoying this. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this episode of Quick Fix. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Do you want to say bye? Say bye.
Bye. See ya.
Bye.
Blow kisses. You want to blow kisses? Mwah.
Mwah.